Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and set parental controls on MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your system settings right over here. Or if you don't find it there, simply go up here to this Apple icon and click on system settings. And it's going to launch right over here. Now, all you need to do is on the left, simply scroll all the way down until you find screen time. Click on that. And this is exactly where you can simply go ahead and limit usage. So simply go to limit usage, app limits. You can simply add limits to all the applications, whichever you want right over here. You can also go up here to app and web activity, and then you can simply go ahead and check what they're using the most as well. And then you can simply go ahead and add content and privacy restrictions right over here. So you can also have only a couple of musics playing. Also allow, like, you can also not allow to add friends, private messaging. You can also simply go ahead and limit adult websites up here, or just give them access to a few websites that you have known about. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.